guys, it's Noki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the latest PAT McGrath Celestial Divinity, the Luxe quartz. I've got the 3 quartz in hand, Risque Rose, Fleur Fantasia, and the Interstellar Icon. So if you're interested in this 3 quartz from PAT McGrath 2020 holiday collection, keep watching. For those of you first time being to my channel, I am a London-based makeup artist. I'm particularly into those kind of really good quality / pricey makeup, and I've got the best excuse ever. I bought them for my job. So if this kind of content interests you, or you would like to know more what a makeup artist thinks about all this makeup, feel free to subscribe my channel and come back every week for the latest video. Let's start for today. Start with the packaging. As you can see, the pattern is the same from 18 pan palette. The only different part is not a sticker this time. Let's have a look on the 3 quartz. Have a look on the quartz itself. Classic packaging. We start with the lightest one, Fleur Fantasia. With this one, you couldn't see any dark shade. The first shade, Lavender Blue. It's a dual chrome shade, lilac with a blue shift. The next shade, Lotus Paradise. It's matte texture, light peach, good as a base. The next shade, Utopia. It's looking like a golden beige, but actually quite peachy. Iridescent Orchid. It's a glittery shade from this quartz, quite pretty. You can see a lot of pink glitters, plus some purple, quite girly, quite dreamy. The next one, Interstellar Icon, Golden Polaris. Another glittery shade. Basically, it's a bronzy gold with some pink glitters. Blue Blood. It's a shimmery shade, dark purpley chocolate brown. Hypnotic. This shade I wasn't 100% sure. Not that kind of shade I would normally choose. It's a dual chrome shade, grayish blue with a strong purple shift. Okay, the next shade, Divine Dahlia. It's another glittery shade, brown as a base, but you can see the antique gold shift. There are some green golden fine glitters, very shiny, very pretty. Okay, the next quartz, Risque Rose. I think this is the only quartz made in Italy. The other 2 are made in USA. The first shade, a glittery shade, Lavendering. It's very special, looking grayish blue, but when you apply it, you can see a whole lot of color glitters. This one I would say is the most special color from all 3 quartz. Pink, purple, silver, gray, and from some angle it's looking quite peachy. And you can kind of feel the moist to the texture, so it's quite easy to apply on. The next shade, Life on Mars. It's a shimmery shade, kind of metallic. It's a rose bronze. The third shade, Rose Rebellion. This shade is close to matte texture but not 100%. Quite easy to apply on. It's a dark fuchsia pink. Okay, the next one, the darkest color from this quartz, Mykitco. It's a matte shade, red chocolate brown. Surprisingly, the texture is not too dry. Quite easy to apply on and not too much fallout. It's quite nice. Okay, after trying on the 3 quartz, I have to say, for me, the least favorite one will be the lightest one, Fleur Fantasia. I mean, it's quite girly, quite pretty, but it's not too special. After trying on so many other eyeshadows from Pat McGrath, this one is like, it's pretty, and that's it. Before I received all this quartz, I thought this one would be the least favorite one for me, Interstellar Icon. But when I try it, the color combination is quite reasonable. The grayish blue is actually with a lot of purple glitters that I really like. Also, the antique brown glittery shade is quite pretty, quite special. So I quite enjoy playing with this quartz. And for this one, Risque Rose, the Italian one, I really enjoy playing with this glittery shade, Lavendering. It's very pretty, very special and colorful all at the same time. The level of the shininess, spot on. I think this one is my favorite shade from all 3 quartz. And for the other shades, I'm not so sure. I think I've seen these 2 shades from Divine Rose the second. So if in the future Pat can have the single idol shade in Lavendering, I will be super happy and get it straight away. So here is what I thought about the 3 Luxe quartz from Pat McGrath 2020 Holiday Collection Celestial Divinity. Let me know what you think, which quartz or which shade you like the best, or if you have any question of these 3 quartz, leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!